Yes, very hands-on. I was there during the chemistry test, all the auditions. We were looking for someone that would fit, not just the characteristics and the physical, but also the inner. Yung importante sa akin yung mata. When we casted these characters, parang these actors, one thing, yung mata talaga yung importante sa akin. And this was with Jerome, stood out how he looked at the character Yana. So that was very important. And of course with Hyacinth and Jairus also, the chemistry of them together as brothers, siblings, important rin yun. So yeah, I was very hands-on and I'm happy with the outcome and the selection.
One of the bago, it's a really big pressure dahil kailangan mong isipin how am I gonna gel with the series itself. Hindi lang sa book 2 but sa book 1. Yung as kabuuan, like off-cam, paano ba mag-gel sa kanila, like relationships namin, yung character na gagawin ko, ipoportray ko kung paano siya magagampanan ng maayos, lalo na dun sa intensity and kung gaano kaganda yung ginawa nila ng una. So yun po yung sa akin. Ikaw, Jai?
So yung sabi mo na yung Jai, para sure na talaga. Pero I can say siguro the pressure is really there and it's really real. Kasi seeing the first book, the success of the first book, the success of each characters, kung paano nila ginawa yung characters nila is sobrang talagang napatunayan nila naging successful. So, totoo, kasi knowing the audience is my high expectations when it comes to their characters and the new characters. So, sobrang pressured kasi, iba-iba yung imagination ng bawat isa. Iba-iba yung understanding ng bawat isa sa character. Same goes with sa aming artista. Iba-iba. So, totoo yung pressure, pero we're gonna do our best, syempre, to hit all of their expectations. And ayun, we're just gonna blend in with them, with the Unit Barkada para sumang-ayon hanggang book 2 hanggang book 6.
Alright, thanks.
Definitely, I feel very pressured, but I'm still very grateful, and I feel very lucky as this is my debut as an actress. And I know how much this story has changed people's lives and really affected even people that I know close to me. And so I really want to do my best to bring Elise to life. And I'm very excited to get to know all of the cast and the characters and just to bring this story for you guys because I know how much this means to everyone.
Can we hear from Yana?
Hello po. So, yes, lahat naman po talaga kami very pressured, especially sa akin po, this is the very first series na pagbibidahan ko. Marami na po ako before na nagawang scenes, best friend di ganito, kapatid di ganyan. So, this time, iba po talaga dapat yung mas marami pong emotions na mapapakita. Especially yung first book po kasi sa The Rain in España, yung mga scenes po ni Yana dito, party, pero may isa lang pong beses na yung nag-away kami ni Kiara dito. Yun lang yung intense scene ko. But for this book, lahat po ng yung background ni Yana, makikita po dito, yung POV po ni Yana talaga. So, mas marami po akong dapat maipakita, hindi lang yung puro party-party lang. So, yun, marami pong pressure doon. And also, syempre working with Jerome din. Kasi yung character, yung bond po ni Yana at ni Hero sa story, talagang solid po talaga. So, kailangan maiparamdam din po namin sa mga viewers yon kung paano nila nabasa yung libro. As much as possible, gusto din po namin sana hindi man lang mapantayan, mabigay lang natin yung best namin.
Were you required by director to read the book?
Yes po, opo.
Everyone is required to read the book.
Pressure? Ano pressure po? Siguro hindi pressure yung nararamdaman ko. I think namin lahat. Siguro more on excitement, kumbaga. We're excited about this book. It's Yana's turn now, and makikita na natin si Elise, si Shan. So, alam niyan, sobrang nakakatuwa kasi habang tumatagal kami, mas dumadami yung mga cast. Nagiging part din siya ng family namin. And, we're just excited. Sabi ko nga kay Yana sabi ko kay... yan na talaga yung tawag ko sa'yo. Susuportahan ko talaga siya the way na sinuportahan niya ako. And I think it speaks with the whole cast naman na paano kami magsuportahan sa isa't isa, as in 100%. So, ayun.
Alright, thanks.
Yeah, me personally, I think I had such a beautiful experience with The Rain. So I'm excited for Jai and Jerome and Hyacinth to be on the group now. Well, first and foremost, I'm looking forward to the night out for all of us, where we're all gonna bond.
May tinyek daw dapat gagawin kami
Yeah.
Marco
And then eventually with at work, you guys are gonna be working a lot. You're gonna be traveling a lot.
Sama kami.
Pwede.
And I'm really excited for you guys. It's definitely going to be a couple of months of pure fun, hard work, and something to remember forever. Really.
Alright, thank you.
For me po, I feel like every season may pressure po talaga kaming nararamdaman kasi this is such a big project. But we promise the fans that we always try our best to give you guys the best show that we can do. And yan, sabi nga po ni Heaven, really excited po kami na may new cast na andyan na po yung release ko. So, really excited. Yeah.
Ayun ako naman po, same with their answers. Pressure po kasi syempre, gusto din po namin kung paano yung binahaling first book, yung adaptation po. Sana ganun din po dito sa book 2. And yun, super excited po for Krisha na mag-lead siya. Like, nasabi nga po niya before, like, hindi nga po niya ina-expect na mag-lead siya kasi nasanay siya sa mga best friend roles. Pero ito na to. This is it. We're so proud of you. We're so excited po sa magiging adaptation nito. And of course, we're so happy po na mas madadagdagan po yung barkada po namin dito sa University Series. Maraming salamat. Thanks.
Parang nasabi na din na lahat. Yeah, we're really, the pressure, I guess, is normal for us because there's a lot of expectations. There's a lot of expectations, but with our experience with The Rain in España, there's so much people who still learn to love us, and I'm so excited for Krisha and Jerome, for me and Jairus, for Gab, at yung Elise niya. So we're really, I'm excited dahil pagdating sa libro ko, puno na po itong stage na po ng mga bagong cast. So just really happy that we're getting bigger, our family's getting full. So
first of all, I would like to congratulate the new cast and of course si Direk. Congrats po. So, ayun lang naman, siguro nasabi naman na nilang lahat kung ano yung dapat namin sabihin dito. So, I guess full support na lang kami sa kanila. Nasabi nyo na lahat eh. So, ayun. So, if there's any support that we could give, we'll give it all out.
So what am I supposed to say? Obviously, going from the first book, I'm just very excited. Glad to do the second book. And to the new cast members, I want to welcome you guys and of course tip my hat, especially to Krisha and Jerome. I can't wait to see you guys kill it.